Hi, does endometriosis go away after laparoscopy? So laparoscopy is one of the important aspect when we deal with endometriosis cases where surgical treatment may be required to clear up the disease. So in cases of endometriosis after we do a laparoscopy, how do we counsel the patient or how do we prepare them even before we actually plan for a surgery? So this is the most crucial step in actually dealing or managing a case of endometriosis. So as we know, endometriosis is a chronic disease and it can affect any age group. So if the endometriosis is affecting younger girls or women of younger age who are in thinking of having a pregnancy or planning for a pregnancy, that is, who is looking for fertility solution, so in such cases the important thing is like the endometriosis can be a problem of recurrence, wherein 10 to 15% of the times, even after doing a good surgery, the disease can still come back. So actually we don't know why the endometriosis happens or why the disease actually, what is the pathophysiology of this disease. So we don't know as to how to treat it to completely eradicate or completely cure it. So by doing a surgery, we are giving them 80-85% chance that the disease clearance has happened. But again, 10 to 15% of the times it may come back again. So if we do surgery for 100 girls or 100 women, in that 15 of them can get recurrence in 2 years of time. So this is something which we need to talk to them, which we need to prepare them, and which we need to tell them that they need to be under follow-up and under medication so that it doesn't come back again. So how do we ensure that we tell them? One, it is a known fact that endometriosis disease, which is a microscopic disease which cannot be cleared even if we do the best of the surgery, because many a times on the peritoneum or on any of these organs on the superficial layer, there may be 1 or 2 deposits which may be left behind even after doing a good surgery, or it may not be visible to our eyes. It is so microscopic. So second thing is, if fertility is something which the couple is looking for, then obviously we try and encourage them that they should conceive immediately after the surgery, and this itself will prevent the recurrence. So third thing is, we put them on medications like progesterones, or we put them on a progesterone intrauterine device which will again prevent the recurrence. So all these things are to be discussed with the patient, and if the patient is very young, with the parents, so that the patient actually is prepared to kind of be under follow-up and to accept that there could be a recurrence. So when we talk about doing a laparoscopy, we want them to understand that the first surgery is the best surgery. So it is always important to get the surgery done by an expert who is well versed in dealing with endometriosis, because this is a disease which can affect any organ, and the surgeon should be competent enough to deal with it during the surgery, that is during doing the laparoscopy. And the competence again depends on how good the surgeon is laparoscopically rather than doing an open surgery. If we can finish the entire surgery laparoscopically, that again adds a lot of value to the patient, because the recovery will be better, the pain will be lesser. So also coming to like post laparoscopy, what else do we expect the patient to have? The patient will have good pain relief, the patient will have better fertility. So they have to keep trying. They cannot say that they have just done the surgery, so I don't want to try for a pregnancy for 6 months, I want to recover. So the disease free interval will be maximum for 10 to 12 months. So during this time will be the maximum potential for the couple to get pregnant, and this is extremely important, and they should be even willing to go through IUI or IVF in case if natural pregnancy doesn't happen. So laparoscopy followed by fertility treatment is the way forward in case if fertility is something for which we are doing the laparoscopy for. And this the couple should be in tandem when we discuss about the treatment options for endometriosis. So we have seen recurrences in about 10% of cases, even in the best of the hands, and the first surgery, as I said, is the best surgery. The more the number of surgeries subsequently, the more the complications and more difficult will be the surgeries subsequently. So when you talk about all this, I hope that if you are a person who is dealing with such situations, you should in detail discuss with your medical professional, your gynecologist, and then you have to take it forward before you actually do a laparoscopy as to what your situation will be post laparoscopy, how you have to cope with the situation. Thank you.